Hey Boos, have you had your coffee yet? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm actually in my dining room because I needed a flat surface and I needed to be able to sit down so that I can tackle this DIY. So I've been seeing this really cool Afro, what do they call it? Afro Wreath, which is like a girl with like all the jingle bells, like all the ornaments like in her fro. And it's so freaking cool. I thought, let me try to see if I can recreate it. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got some ornaments. I got red and gold because typically I always do red and gold for my house. Red is my favorite color. I got some, what is this called? I got some tissue drapery thingy. I found these tree skirts and they're really cute. I think this looks like what they put on her head as a scarf. So this is a tree skirt at Dollar Tree. I got some cardboard, which is what we're going to be using to trace out our girl. I have one of these from Dollar Tree, which is like a clip-on flower thingy. I have my handy dandy nail gun. We're going to just use a regular cardboard. Obviously, you guys can make this as big as you want to. I don't want it that big. I mean, this is pretty big actually, but we're going to use this. I also have some paint, so we can do maybe like lipstick on her and black for eyeliner. These you can get at Walmart for 50 cents. I have a lot of extra paint because I did my son's crazy art wall, if you guys saw it in my playroom video. So I do have a lot of crazy paint, and yes, I did use 50 cents craft paint to do that wall. And it has lasted. It's been over a year since I've had it. I'm going to do my best to try to trace a pattern of a fro girl. The first thing I'm going to do is try to trace out an outline of our girl so that I can cut out the shape. Well, we're just gonna cut her out, right? Yep, it's pretty easy with scissors. So I chose to do cardboard. I don't have to paint it because the shade is already like semi-dark. So you can use whatever you want. Cardboard is kind of sturdy and I felt like it'll be the best material. I think she's cute. I don't know, what do you think? I think she's cute. Does she look like me? Does it look alike? Obviously, I'm eyeballing this, so it's not going to be perfect. This is a DIY with me. Because I'm doing this based on a picture that I saw, not based on experience. So, yeah, I think that's it. All right. I'm thinking just like clusters. Girl's name from Everybody Hates Kristen Mama. She don't gotta take this. Her man has 2 jobs. Okay, her name was Rachelle. So we're just gonna call her Rachelle. She's Everybody Hate Chris's mama, okay? So it is what it is. We're just gonna call her Rachelle. I'm just going to hot glue this down. I just can't figure out how to put her head wrap on. If I was putting a head wrap on myself, that would be a different story. Please subscribe. So we're just gonna hold it. Y'all, I think mine is coming out to look a little ratchet. Oh, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Alright. She has some redeeming qualities. So basically just fidget with this until you get the shape that you need. Rachelle is like, what is you doing, honey boo boo child? I don't talk like that. I don't know why I just said that like that. Y'all have to forgive me. This is low-key stressing me out. I'm just gonna glue it down and it's going to have to be what it is. Let's cut some off. If it messes up, we'll just glue it back on. Whoever came up with that, the idea for the wreath, I don't know who the originator was, but you go girl. This is so creative and amazing. Like, you need a melanated metal, you know what I mean? So I don't recall anybody giving me a warning like, oh, if you're going to be doing any DIYs or anything that has to do with fire, caution, it's hot. So we're just gonna use our tissue that we got, whatever this is. We're just gonna stuff it in here to give her some foliage, some fullness down there, because we just need to give her some fullness. She looks like one of those cool, like, Caribbean women who carries the stuff on their heads, you know? So she looks like that. And actually, I'm not mad at it. So now I think I'm just going to, like, fill in with some more ornaments and, you know, hope she looks okay. She's not looking too bad. I mean, I think her fro could be better, but this is a DIY challenge, so it is what it is. Do you guys think I'm failing so far, or do you guys think I'm doing okay? Like, comment down below if you guys think. Make sure you have some pity on me. I think she looks nice. Say hi, Rachelle. Hi, Rachelle. Add that flower. Add that flower right here. I don't think she looks bad, y'all. I mean, if you think I failed, that's fine, but I don't think she looks bad. I think she looks quite jazzy, quite spiffy. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to have glue on this because it's not staying. Hold on, I might have to stand up. There we go. Boom! I don't think she looks bad. I mean, I think she looks good. And I'm not just saying that because I made her. I am just saying that because I made her, but it is what it is. If I failed, let me know in the comments below. Honestly, okay, how about you guys score me? Let me know how I did. If you think your girl did good, go ahead and give me a 10. If you think I did bad, go ahead and give me a 10 anyway, because you love me a latte? No? No. Well. Ooh! I know. She's going to have a snowflake hoop, y'all. Because that's cute. Let's give my girl some hoops. Should I put it on a string? Yes, let's put it on a string. Yeah, so this is Rachelle. Say hi to the people, Rachelle. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope this DIY inspired you to go ahead and try to make your own. If you do make your own, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. My Instagram handle is in the description. It's also going to be somewhere here, anywhere, wherever it'll fit. And I would love to see you guys make this. So tag me at @singcoffeeplease_. And yeah, as always, may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. Bye, boos.